everyone, welcome to Arin and today I have made this new project, so let's get started. So the name of the new project is Lifi and it means Light-Fidelity. Sounds same like Wi-Fi and does the same. So in Lifi we use light to transfer the data, meanwhile in Wi-Fi we use radio signals to transfer the data. And in Wi-Fi is less secure than Lifi because in Wi-Fi anyone in the radius of the Wi-Fi can hack in the Wi-Fi and take the data, but in Lifi we cannot because the light is transmitting the data and the solar cell is receiving it. And if we remove the solar cell, then that cannot receive the data anymore. So after that, Lifi can transmit the data underwater also, and Lifi is 100x faster than Wi-Fi, which means that the speed of Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz or 5.8 GHz, but the speed of Lifi is 100 to 240 Gbps. So let's see the testing. So for making this I required a mobile phone, an aux cable, an LED lamp, battery, and I have connected it like this. After that I required a solar panel and I have connected to an amplifier and a speaker, and I am giving it power over here. So I'll play a music. So you can hear it. So if I put my hand, it will not receive the data. And if I move the solar panel away, then also it will receive the data. So this was my project for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video. Please share it with your friends. Subscribe our YouTube channel which is Arin. Like our Facebook page which is Arin. Till then, goodbye.